So, welcome back to V Files. Today we are diving straight into episode 2 of our Vietnam series, and tonight Hanoi is truly coming alive. Today we are heading to the world famous Hanoi Train Street, and trust me, seeing a massive train pass just inches away from where people are sitting is an absolute thrill. But before that, we also explored some amazing street food, from a few exotic street snacks to a steaming bowl of local noodles. Later in the evening, we headed to the heart of Hanoi's nightlife, Ta Hien Street. And wow, the energy here is just electric. Neon lights everywhere, music playing, people laughing, and just non-stop vibes all around. And after a long day of exploring the city, we finally ended the night with a relaxing foot massage. Honestly, our feet really needed that. So, stay tuned and make sure you watch the complete video to experience this crazy night with us.
वियतनाम के स्ट्रीट पे घूमते हैं.
Local streets.
So, we didn't start with a famous landmark. We started by simply walking through the busy streets of Hanoi, trying to solve one very important traveler problem: finding the best currency exchange rate.
इधर तो है वैसे ही है. कैसा लग रहा है वियतनाम की स्ट्रीट?
बहुत अच्छी लग रही है लोकल स्ट्रीट्स लग रही है मुझे तो.
मैप दिखा के राइट जाके लेफ्ट उधर एक्सचेंज है पे. यहाँ पे अपन देख सकते हैं कुछ यहाँ पे कितना है मनी एक्सचेंज रेट.
What is the money exchange rate? Dollar to dong.
20 $1 25 एक्सचेंज रेट. अच्छा है, नोट डाउन करके रख. याद रखा अच्छा अपनों को जो
In
अच्छा देगा.
Hanoi, exchange shops are everywhere, but the rates, they can change from one street to the next. So we just kept walking, checking boards, comparing numbers, hoping to get a best deal before starting our night exploration.
इधर भी कैसे है कैसे
है ना?
कितना है पूछ लो.
What currency exchange? Dollar to dong.
25,500. और पर याद रहेगा.
That face is slapping, feel it all around. That face is slapping, feel it all around.
पूछो ना. पूछो ना.
Get on up, the funky sound. Feel that
And finally, mission was complete, and we got the best deal.
step on the scene. Yeah, feel the heat.
With our pockets full and the sun dipping low, it was time for the main event. So we headed to the legendary Hanoi Train Street.
Come on, people. It's time to start the show.
दे रहा हूँ. चला गया.
Get on up, it's the funky sound.
जहाँ में आना था वो हमारे ट्रेन का फील.
It's actually hard to believe, but this railway was built by the French back in 1902. For over a century, families have lived, cooked, and even played right on these very tracks.
ये थी क्या? Hello.
But it's a lot of time, right? Okay, so this is Vietnam Gold Coffee, shop number 32. Coconut coffee, all the drinks are very delicious and very, very, very tasty, you know. Basically, यहाँ आने के बाद आपको कॉफ़ी और चाय के टेस्ट ही बदल जाएंगे. And this is a restaurant, fast food restaurant, and top of it, you will get vegetarian food as well over here. Some of the people sitting over here, so hi. Yeah. People say hello easily over here. ये सबसे अच्छी बात है. I really miss this thing in my country. And then coffee, cold beer, where we are gonna sit. And I ordered coffee over here. And then some cute chicks, like Indians included. And this is relaxing.
खाते रहना.
So, why is this place so hyped? Well, it's a narrow residential street where people have coffee, food, and relax, while a real train thunders past just inches away from their chairs. So, we also grabbed a bowl of local noodles and just waited. And suddenly the air changed. You could feel the vibration in the ground before you even heard the whistle.
इधर अपना आएगा.
And here's a shocking fact we got from the locals. Authorities have actually tried to shut this down dozens of times. But the Instagram madness and the sheer thrill keep the heart of this street beating. We explored the full street and hit a couple of cafes. I'm actually going to upload a full walking tour in a separate video, so check those links in the description. But Hanoi's nightlife, it doesn't stop there. Just a few miles away is another legendary spot, Ta Hien Street. Now, to save our legs, because we had already walked over 4 kilometers, we hopped into a cyclo. It's the most iconic way to see the old quarter. It feels like traveling back in time while navigating the modern day chaos. So, Ta Hien Street, better known as Beer Street. It's located right at the main intersection of the old quarter. Why is it so famous? Two words, BIA Hoi. That's the culture of cheap, fresh draft beer and the craziest nightlife energy you will ever see. It is the ultimate backpacker's paradise. Music, laughter, street food, and thousands of people all around the world packed into one vibrant street. That's why it's the most famous party street in the city. Time to refuel. We found this beautiful spot to just drink and try some authentic local flavors while soaking in everything around us.
chamomile tea.
What is this?
Chamomile tea.
Camel tea.
Chamomile tea.
It's a
It's a
chamomile tea.
chamomile tea.
Okay, okay.
It's a Chinese tea which is good for sleep.
Thank
which
you.
is good for skin as well. There are so many benefits of it. And yes, this is anti-aging tea.
अच्छे से पकड़ते जाओ, दिख रहा है। क्या टेस्ट है? ये कैसे खाना है? ये मस्त है।
चढ़ना किधर से?
देखेंगे, चढ़ने को तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं। आराम करो।
Now, on our way back to the hotel, since it was right along the route, we actually passed Train Street again. See, the train doesn't just come once. Most evenings, trains pass every 1 to 2 hours, so visitors get multiple chances to witness this crazy moment. So, once again, the chairs moved, people stepped aside, and the train thundered through the street.
Mẹ đây dán sau đâu, mẹ tiền đấy dán mẹ cho không đâu. Mẹ cùng la mép lại.
ट्रेन के बाद भी काट मत करना, पापा को दिखाना कि वो लोग कैसे वापस पटरी पे आ जाते हैं।
After walking miles, we ended the night with a traditional foot massage. My feet are finally forgiving me. What a night. Thanks for coming along. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to V Files for more travel stories from around the world. And trust me, this Vietnam series is just getting started. So, stay tuned and thanks for watching.